So how can you check if your messages are forwarded on the iPhone? Let's get started. So the first step you're going to take is to open up the phone app and dial in the asterisk dash 21 dash. And if you tap on call to this number, you'll get a page which kind of looks like this, and it's going to give you all of the information about forwarding, right? So you can see that we have the data call forwarding on all calls, or voice call forwarding and SMS call forwarding and stuff like that, right? You can see a bunch of different forwarding stuff, and it will always tell you whether or not it's enabled or disabled right here. So that's like a good first step to take a look. But other than that, you can also browse and explore your settings, because part of these settings, we have the apps section at the bottom, from which you can open up the messages, and there you have the text message forwarding. And this basically lets you forward your SMS text messages to another devices which belong to you as well. In my case, it can include like the iPhone, a couple of iPads, even Mac, which are not like this one, but from they are still part of my Apple network, meaning that they have my Apple ID, but it's like different devices, and I can forward the messages there. So that's how it works. That's how you can check it. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos.